bit more detail. All this stuff is risk-based, and that's what we did for the chair. Remember, reduce the risk. We came up with a whole series of tasks. We came up with maintainer actions, operator and redesign actions. So this slide is actually backing up all the stuff we did when we talked about the chair. Yeah, and this whole process is called failure mode effect criticality analysis, and it's a standardised methodology for how to do this sort of stuff, across the world these days. What do you do about human error? We've had that conversation about human error. If you want to be highly confident that you're doing the right stuff, one of the things you have to do is measure human error. You need to know the human error rate. When I was talking earlier today about the ship that Navy gave me, the Chief of Naval Staff gave me, and I said for the first 6 months I kind of ignored the people. Then I realised, geez, I better do something about that. I actually put some quite simple algorithms into the computerised maintenance management system to pick up human error rates, because I wanted to know if the human error rate was increasing or decreasing, and then send someone on board. Because if I walked on board as a captain and then said to the able seaman Smith, how come you're not doing your work? I know what answer I'd get, which would be nothing. Right? If he or she was even going to be polite to me if I asked that question. Right? So I had to use someone who was non-threatening to them, to go on board the ship, talk to them, find out what's going on. Yeah, so personally I never set foot on the ship, but I knew quite a lot about what was happening on board that ship, because they had the data and the performance indicators, and had those guys coming backwards and forwards on board the ship talking to the ship's company. So I knew what the key things that were going on.